Picture this. Your desk is chaos, deadlines are looming, and your old study habits just aren't cutting it. But what if you had a digital toolkit? ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, Grammarly, Quizlet, ready to transform your workflow. This summer, don't just get by. Upgrade your process, master these tools, and step into fall ahead of the curve. Let's dive into the world of ChatGPT, a powerful tool that can revolutionize your learning experience. Think of it as your 24/7 brainstorming partner, always available to bounce ideas off of, no matter the time of day or night. It's like having a study buddy who never sleeps, ready to assist you whenever inspiration strikes or you hit a mental block. Stuck on a thesis? Don't just stare at a blank page. Ask ChatGPT for 10 different angles, approaches, or potential arguments. Explore unconventional ideas you might not have considered. Need a complex concept explained in a way that actually makes sense? Request a simple analogy. Ask ChatGPT to break down complicated topics into relatable terms, using comparisons that resonate with your understanding. Treat it like a conversation. The more you put in, the more you get out. Give context, share your struggles, explain what you're finding difficult. The more information you provide, the better ChatGPT can understand your needs. And in return, get tailored feedback that's specific to your situation. Receive personalized guidance and insights that address your unique challenges and learning style. Paste in your work, whether it's an essay draft or a coding snippet, and ask where you went wrong. Identify areas for improvement and gain a clearer understanding of your mistakes. And get instant targeted help, pinpointing the exact areas that need attention. Receive specific corrections and suggestions to refine your work and enhance your understanding. Remember, it's not about shortcuts or cheating your way through assignments. It's about unlocking deeper understanding, fostering critical thinking, and discovering creative solutions you might not have found on your own. Use ChatGPT to get unstuck when you're facing a difficult problem or feeling overwhelmed by a challenging concept. Explore new perspectives and different ways of looking at the same information, broadening your understanding and challenging your assumptions. And ultimately, make learning click, transforming confusing topics into clear and understandable concepts. With the right prompts and a thoughtful approach, it's like having a personal tutor on demand, ready to guide you on your learning journey. Next, Canva, your shortcut to stunning presentations. No design skills? No problem. Canva's templates and AI features make everything look polished. Collaborate on group projects with unified styles and brand kits. Magic write and magic switch. Save time and elevate your work. Master Canva and your assignments will stand out for all the right reasons. Professors and future employers notice the difference. In the whirlwind of academic life, staying organized can feel like an uphill battle. Juggling classes, assignments, and extracurriculars often leads to a chaotic digital and physical workspace. But what if you could streamline everything into one central hub? Organization is everything, and Notion is your all-in-one academic command center. Build dynamic dashboards with integrated calendars so you can visualize your schedule and deadlines at a glance. Create and manage interactive to-do lists, breaking down large projects into manageable steps. Capture all your brilliant ideas and insights in searchable notes, all in one place, easily accessible whenever you need them. Tag and filter notes by class or topic, creating a structured knowledge base that grows with you. This allows for instant access to the information you need, right when you need it. And with the power of AI, Notion AI summarizes lengthy lectures, saving you valuable time and effort. It intelligently pulls out action items, ensuring you never miss a crucial task or assignment. Plus, it helps draft outlines, providing a solid foundation for your essays and research papers. Set it up this summer, dedicating some time to crafting your perfect workspace. And come fall, you'll start the semester with a productivity machine, ready to conquer any academic challenge. No more lost notes scattered across different platforms. Say goodbye to missed deadlines. Now you can just focus on learning and truly absorbing the material. Embrace the power of organization and make Notion your second brain. Grammarly is your real-time writing coach. It catches grammar, spelling, and clarity issues, but also helps you nail the right tone. Set your document's goal, academic, confident, formal, and get tailored feedback. Over time, Grammarly helps you build better writing habits. Use it consistently, and your work will be clearer, more professional, and more persuasive. Let your ideas shine without distraction. Let's face it, traditional memorization can sometimes feel like a real slog. Staring at textbooks, trying to force facts into your brain, it doesn't always work, and it definitely doesn't have to be a grind. There are better, more engaging ways to learn. That's where technology steps in to save the day. Enter Quizlet. This isn't just another study app. It's a dynamic learning platform designed to transform how you approach memorization. Need flashcards? Create them yourself, or better yet, let Quizlet's AI generate them from your notes in seconds. Simply upload your study materials and watch as the AI intelligently crafts flashcards tailored to your specific needs. Dive into study with modes like Learn, a personalized learning experience that adapts to your progress, or challenge yourself with Match, both powered by the principles of spaced repetition and gamification. These methods are scientifically proven to enhance memory and make learning more enjoyable. Focus on your weak spots with targeted practice, compete with friends in study challenges, and ultimately make studying fun and engaging. Say goodbye to boring study sessions. Quizlet transforms memorization from a tedious chore into an engaging, effective, and even enjoyable experience. Master the material now using these innovative techniques, and you'll not only retain information longer, but also develop a deeper understanding. Prepare to confidently tackle any subject and ace your exams with flying colors. Studying just got a serious upgrade, so get ready to unlock your full academic potential. That's your toolkit: ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, Grammarly, Quizlet. This isn't just about grades. It's about building digital skills for life. Master these tools this summer, and you'll start next semester transformed. The choice is yours. Stick with old habits or embrace the upgrade. With AI as your partner, you're unstoppable. See you next time.